So we're back at the commercial security section here at Intersec 2020. More than 270 exhibitors in this particular section of the show. I'm at the stand of Korean manufacturer IDIS, and I'm with Jamil Al-Asfar, the Senior Sales Manager for IDIS in the Middle East. Jamil, good to have you with us. Your stand's looking very busy today, but we're going to have a look at some of your products in a little while. But first of all, let's talk about some of the latest developments in IDIS in the Middle East and what you've been working on.
Actually, IDIS is facing a big development recently. In the last 2 years, we are doing two-digit growth in the last 2 years, which is great. I think one of the benefits we are getting from Intersec exhibition. Yeah, and we are adding a great value to our product. In addition to be a surveillance manufacturer, we are adding great features to our systems from video analytics and AI, as usual in this as a trend in the market right now. Yeah.
Okay. And some of the highlights at Intersec 2020. Are you launching any products this year?
We are launching the IDLA, IDIS Deep Learning Engine, and we are attaching it to our cameras, to our video management systems, in order to benefit the end user at the end. As I mentioned in the beginning, we are adding value to our existing surveillance systems. By introducing IDLA, we are increasing that tremendously, yes.
Should we go have a look at this product then?
Yes, sure, 100%.
Okay, so Jamil, we have this is a product showcase, a highlight of Intersec 2020. Take us through it.
We have two levels of AI on our system. One level built in the camera itself. We're providing recognition of the human object recognition. We'll do some high-end analytics with a lot of features like map view and instant meta filtering. This level built in the camera. So the end user doesn't have to invest a lot in the infrastructure. He just needs the camera and our MVR and our free software, you can say.
Typical applications, what is this used for? And sort of projects in the Middle East. I mean, I assume it's been used already, right? So where has it been used in the Middle East region so far?
Premises protection, loitering mainly in retails and some kind of high-end locations, where you can have to monitor who's entering, what's entering, and also reduce the level of alarm. When you be 99% that this alert is generated by a car or by a man, you'll be 100% sure that you are not spending a lot of time fixing a problem, right? Yeah.
You mentioned before that you're experiencing double-digit growth here in the Middle East region. Yes. Why do you think that is?
Many reasons. We are, as IDIS, focusing on innovation and also participating in big exhibitions like Intersec. And this is create more attention to our products and big questions being raised. And when we answer it, we succeed in answering what's the end user required as, in general, as solution.
So Jamil, you have quite an interesting high-end CCTV solution for the retail sector, is that right?
Yes, true. We recently introduced a high-end retail solution, including specified design cameras, which give you many options, like gold and silver, depend on the showroom you are trying to fix in it. And it provides high-end feature as well, with the built-in WDR and IR with a hidden design.
Yeah, I guess the idea, of course, that it is very discreet, isn't it?
Yes, it's small.
So shoppers, discreet, don't know they've got this thing watching.
And all these features in one small camera.
And you mentioned, of course,
it's very cost-effective as well. We are trying to provide a good solution with a very cost-effective cost.
Yeah. And you mentioned, of course, that it's quite popular in the UK.
Yes.
Do you think it'll do well here in the UAE and Middle East?
We are hoping. We just introduced it to the market, and we are trying to show it to our client, our customer, and I'm confident that people will agree with us. Yeah.
Well, there's certainly a lot of malls and retail outlets around here, aren't there? So I'm sure it could go down quite well.
Yeah. Let's hope that.
If you were to talk about your various verticals that you're working in, whether it be retail, hospitality, healthcare, education, oil and gas, where are the most opportunities that you're seeing at the moment in the region?
What we are seeing, the region differs in different sectors. The vertical in UAE is different than the vertical in Saudi or in Kuwait and all this. We are trying to be where some verticals required our position. We are making great growth in the banking sector and retail systems and retail sectors. In some areas in the education sector. So it differs. We are trying to provide the end user what is required. Irrelevant to the vertical, but we are trying to tailor some solution to meet these verticals, especially in the banking sector. We achieved a great growth last year in Saudi, where we provided the right solution in the right time.
And talking about the Saudi market, of course, it's a bit of a booming market at the moment. Entertainment is on the rise. They're looking at injecting a lot of money and diversifying their economy away from oil and gas, of course. As a market in the commercial security sector, it must be quite exciting for IDIS.
The whole region is quite exciting for our business. You know, security is a high-end requirement. You know, and everybody is very sensitive for that matter. And when entertainment coming to the pictures, that means a lot of people in one area. You need to protect them. You need to guarantee that no harm will happen to them. So we are excited. We are trying to serve this requirement in the market. Yeah.
Well, Jamil, thank you very much for your time. You've got 2 more days left at Intersec. Little message to our viewers out there. Who would you like to see stand over the next 2 days?
Everyone who's interested to see our surveillance system, to see our features, what we are providing as a new added value to our system as well, and who want to see a new technology. We are ready to receive him.
Ready to serve.
Yeah, ready to serve.
Jamil, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.